Welcome down onto the tech desk, and in today's video we're going to be looking at these. These are the Blitz Ice Cracking style wireless Joy-Cons from a company called Nixie. I have looked at them Joy-Cons before, specifically these white ones, and I have looked at some others that I did a big review on. I'm not going to do a full review of these, just going to be talking about the kind of like the differences and what's new in these ones. So I bought these, I got these sent these from Nixie for free, so I'm going to be giving these away to someone. If you're a subscriber and I can see that you're a subscriber, stick a comment down below and I'll pick a comment out at some point and I will be sending you these out for free. Okay, so do subscribe and do comment anything you like, as long as it's nice. Stick an emoji down there or something. Okay, so as I said, I've done a video on these before and I've been looking at what the differences are. Now I'm just going to whiz through some of the similarities. Okay, so the similarities are it's the same great size, really nice size for adult hands, absolutely perfect. All the buttons are fantastic and the joysticks are fantastic as well, but I am going to do a quick test because I know people like see like kind of like the dead zones on it. I will be showing you that later on in the video. And then spinning over, we still have the assignable button there, and we have the two buttons there. I think it's the M and the T for the turbo and the lights. But there are a couple of differences. Let's start off with these ones, very minor. Here we have this button here. It looks like a house, so and this one is a plus. Whereas on the ones before, it was just a simple round button with a picture, and then again a round button with a picture. The buttons, they feel identical. The thumbsticks feel identical. Identical on the sides and identical on the back, apart from the texture. So there's a texture on the back of here, which is just kind of like a gridded texture. This one is more kind of like a random texture of a grip, but it's superb. The grip on it is fantastic. I absolutely love the feel of this because it is textured all the way around. And then moving on to the left one, again, this one here is a round, this one is square, and this one is a minus button rather than being just a circle with a picture on it. Thumbsticks, absolutely identical. Now, here's the difference, the D-pad. So apart from the shape, this one's a little bit curved, yeah, great, whatever. This one, this D-pad, sorry, is about 1 millimeter higher, I would say. I'm gonna have to get a close-up of this, so you trust me. I'd say 1 or 2 millimeters higher than this one. I think this feels marginally better than this one. Both Joy-Cons are great with the D-pads. I haven't had an issue, but this one just feels a little bit more clickier and a little bit higher up. And then obviously the big difference is the colors. So we have RGB on these, a lot more RGB. On these ones, you have the RGB around the stick down there, but on these, you have them all around here, and there's like the 4 RGBs in there that bleed into the thumbstick ring there. The way you change that is you ping it over, and then you've got these 2 buttons on the back, the M and the T. All you're going to do is going to hold that one down and click the thumbstick in, and that way you change the colors. So what we do is you click it first, it goes to it's like yellow, and then we've got green, light blue, dark blue, purple, multicolored, and a red as well. And then we're back to kind of, oh, and there's an orange, and then we're back to yellow. And then what you're going to do is find the color you like. So let's go on to green, and again, holding the button on the back here, double click the stick, and it does the green breathing. So it does whatever color you want to do breathing. And then hold the button on the back again, double click the thumbstick, and you've got the multicolored breathing, which is the one that I like. They do work independently, so you have to change the color on that one and change the color on that one. So you spin over to this one, hold this button down, do exactly the same. Double tap, or double tap goes off, double tap goes onto a single color breathing, double tap as well goes onto the multicolored breathing. Exactly the same between the two. And there is one other small difference which I need these for. So if I put these onto, well, the switch, the little known feature here is on the bottom of these white Joy-Cons, it's flattened, so you are able to stand it up like that. That's gone on these, unfortunately. There is no flat bit, so there's no way of standing these up without using the kickstand, but then it's going to be quite laid back. I mean, that's not a bad angle, it's just this is a better angle. Kind of inbuilt kickstand there. Battery life on these, I haven't really noticed any kind of hit on the battery, being there more RGBs. I don't think it takes up much battery, but as with the other ones, you can always charge them up on the USB Type-C on here, and also as well, if I look on here, if we go into the Joy-Cons here, if I'm charging up the Switch, there like that, it does charge the Joy-Cons as well as the Switch. So what I'm going to do now is just going to have a look at the thumbsticks, because I know that's what people like to see. So if we go into the settings, there you go, okay. And then if we test the right stick, if you get these Joy-Cons and they have got some serious dead zone on them, that's a manufacturing issue and you need to get them changed, because on these ones, and the other ones I've got, I haven't experienced any defect in playing whatsoever. It doesn't affect gameplay at all. That's why these are so highly regarded, these Joy-Cons. And if you go and look on the website, they also do a different color as well. So this one is the black version. They also do a white version. So finally, when you get them in the box, you also get yourself an instruction manual, which you need because of the functions I'm working on there. You get this, which is which your Joy-Cons can sit on. That will work for these, and it will also work for official Joy-Cons if that's what you want to. And you also get yourself a USB Type-C cable. I don't use that because, as we've said, I've got one over here that I use. So as I said, I'm going to give these to a subscriber. Just comment down below and I will pick someone and send them out. And I'll also leave a link down below where you can get hold of these from the Nixie website. And because when I did the review of these last time, I managed to contact Nixie and they gave me a discount code as well. So you might be able to get them a little bit cheaper. So go and have a look down in the description. Okay, if there's anything else, do comment down below. Do remember, do like, do subscribe. And I hope you're the one that gets one of these. And until the next video, bye-bye.